just want to share my thoughts about how some churches and religious organizations are reacting to the impeachment case of Vice President Sara Duterte. Honestly, it's hard not to notice that many of them are very vocal about this issue. But when it comes to the alleged corruption and questionable action of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and some members of Congress, they seem silent. As religious institutions, people look up them for guidance, fairness, and truth. That's why it feels disappointing when they speak strongly against one issue but stay quiet on another issue that is just as serious. If they truly want to stand for justice and righteousness, then their voice should be the same no matter who is involved, whether it is the vice president, the president, or any government official. Being silent on corruption can make it seem like some wrongdoings are acceptable, and that weakens the trust people have in them in times like this. The church should stand firm in truth and speak against injustice in all forms without favoritism or bias, because justice should be for everyone, not only for selected people.